How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video will finally be the final on my race team. But before we get this video started, I got to thank you, all my subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Never costs you a thing with this channel, guys. Not a bit. Just support anybody in the community, anybody I mention in this video or videos, all my videos. I try to always leave a link below in the description. Well, that way you can always get to those videos real easy. And if for some reason I forget and I don't, if they mention or comment in the comment section, a lot of times they'll be in there. So always click there, and then you can find out, who I'm talking about and go subscribe to them. All right, guys. With that being said, all right, y'all remember, I already did a final on the van, and so I'm not going to go into depth too much on the van on this part, but I didn't do a final on the Corvette and then the trailer. So I got them all three together, and this is going to be my final. Y'all know what I started with. Let's see. Y'all remember this kit right here? George gave me this kit right here and said, build it. And I said, I sure will. Not a problem. George, love you. All right. And y'all know, this is the Corvette kit that I built. I have several of these. So I figured, this is going to be a good one. And plus, my mom, she loved Corvettes, owned Corvettes. And this was one of the very first models I ever come into contact with as a youngster. As y'all know, I told my story about my uncle and everything. So it's kind of a tribute to my uncle and my mom and George. Well, not necessarily a tribute to George. George gave me the van. Of course, he's been my mentor and father figure in the hobby for a long time. So, that being said, I'm going to shut up. Y'all don't want to hear me talk. Turn this thing around here and show you what I got going on. Let me adjust this camera angle here. Alright, guys. That was a big mess up. Let's see if we can redo this. See if I can do it without messing something up. I'm not going to edit this video, guys. I got to work all weekend. I don't have a lot of time to do nothing, so here it is. Let me put this back on here and let y'all get the bloopers and everything in with this video. All right, that thing is so long, it won't fit on the turntable regularly, so let's just see what I can do here. But y'all seen the van, which I'll take it and show you each part individual. There is the trailer. The trailer was a parts box trailer, so I had to fix some stuff and make some stuff for it. And there is the Vette. I actually got the decals to work. So let me deconstruct this thing and show you what's going on. Let me move everything out of the way here. Throw that over in the floor. I ain't got no room for it. Alright, now as long as I'm in frame, as long as y'all can see what's going on here, we'll take that off for now. It keeps falling off. Let's see. Alright, so let's take the Vette off here. Let's take the trailer off. Let's do a recap on the van since we're here. Let's take this part off. And let's show you what I've gotten done. Y'all seen the inside of that. Get all the woodwork done. The hood does open. I've shown you all that. The engine. There's the bottom half of it. Here is the back half of the van. Let's just throw that down over there. Like I said, if y'all want to see that van a little more in depth, there's a video on it. So go check it out. Let me scoot this thing down a little bit. The trailer, like I said, was a parts box trailer, so it's not the best in the world. I scratch built the little trailer jack. put the lights on the back, which they don't come in too good because that red amber light on the red, I probably should have put silver behind it, but there's really nothing to say about this. I painted the same color as the van. Then the aluminum, painted the aluminum. Nothing much to say about it, just this. Oh, I don't have no ramps for it right now, which I will scratch build those. And I was going to make some actual chain for the safety chain. I haven't done that yet. Let me get my little stand back here, since how y'all haven't seen a proper final on this one. And this here is my Vette. Let's just put the top back on here just for a second. Let y'all see a spin around. And yes, I actually got the decals to work. Look at that thing. That thing is sexy. Oh my God. Now, as you can notice, there's some extra decals that I added to it. Not necessarily like the box art. These 327 decals right there, they come from the brand new Revell release of the 55 Gasser, which was the old bad man, you know, and stuff. And that decal right there said 327 Chevrolet. That come from that kit. But the rest of them are the original decals that come with the kit. What I did is they were kind of cracking, and they were old. I put them in the window and let them kind of bleach out a little bit. I sprayed the decal with, I think it was Tamiya clear coat. Let that dry. And then I cut them out very closely to the edges. And then I applied them with, you know, Solva set, and you know the deal. The decal set. So the top, you know, on the box art it shows the top done in white, and I wasn't going to do that. This is a vinyl top or a convertible top. White don't look good on them. I did it in black, and that's why it would probably actually have been in real life if somebody was doing this. Even though this is a fictitious car, this wasn't one that somebody actually raced. But let me show you here. I deepened all the panel lines, put a black wash in them. I put carpet. I don't know if you can see just real good with the lighting the way it is, but I put carpet in there. I didn't make homemade seat belts. I just used the kit seat belts, painted them yellow. Did the gauges up, you know, just black and some clear to make it look like glass, you know. Painted the steering wheel and the dash, the red, the gloss red, the same as the roll cage, roll bar. Then the interior was done in a satin. The seats were done in the door cards. I don't know how well you're seeing with this light. Let's see if I can adjust the light a little bit better. I don't know. There you might see it a little bit better. But there's that interior. The wheels were not the wheels that come in the kit. I changed the wheels out. I put a whitewash on them tires. You can start not a whitewash, a dry brush on them tires. Let's see. Sanded the tires to make them look like those. Actually, I weathered the bottom a little bit. You can see everything's painted. The headers are white. The hood does open. I say that. Let me get something to open this hood up real quick, guys. Show you the engine. I tell you what, this kit right here has got me on a Corvette kick. My next build is going to be another Corvette. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I don't know how well you're going to see in there. You can see I got the red wash on the blower hat, the valve covers. I got the magneto. I got the blue plug wires, so the red, white, and blue theme's kind of going with the white headers. Y'all can see how I carried that over. Man, this is one sexy car, guys. Look at that. That is a beautiful, beautiful car. Can't believe I got the decals to work. My God, if you say you don't like Vettes, oh my God, there's something wrong with you, guys. There's something absolutely wrong with you. Yes, Vettes have been overproduced as far as model-wise. Who gives a crap? That thing is sexy. I call sexy when sexy sexy. That thing is sexy. She is beautiful. Nothing like a Corvette gasser, guys. That is the creme de la creme of the build here. Has that beautiful beast sitting on the back of that trailer. And like I said, this whole thing behind this whole build, y'all know the deal. And put that back on there. Let y'all get another little look-see. All right, guys. I'd like to hear your comments on this one. Yeah, she's not perfect. She's not show-worthy. None of my stuff ever is. But she looks good enough for me. And that's all that matters. You build for yourself, guys. Yes. If you're happy with it, I'm happy with it. That's the way I build. My stuff ain't got to be perfect. Ain't got to be show quality. That's not the way I do things. I don't put stuff out just because I'm going to a show. Yeah, I do shows, but this was built out of love for my mom, my uncle, and George. This is just going to be a shelf queen here, but for y'all to enjoy too. All right, guys. With that being said, I'll try to get some more videos loaded because I'll be working all weekend. I'll get them scheduled and stuff. All right, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see the pitch or the other build, for the van, I already have another video for it. Go check it out. All right, guys. Bye.